Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the Confrontation, Fuji House of Commotion. Preaching practical solutions, a Fuji House of Commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect is better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the Confrontation, a Fuji House of Commotion. Catering practical solutions, a Fuji House of Commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the Confrontation.
Angelique, you are looking wonderfully wonderful this morning.
Chief. Good morning, sir.
Hey, same to you, my angel.
Angelique is the name, Chief.
Angelique, Angel Chopo is the same 10 and 10 pence.
Your son?
Yeah, Allah be praised. One of these days, me and you, we are going to check out.
Shay will go with all their wives and children.
Well, if that is the way you want it, it's all right. But actually, what I am thinking of is a weekend for 2 in Sheraton.
Well, that would be nice. But what can I do for you this morning?
Look, standing here and looking at you is enough for me. Yeah? If you look out now, if you look at everywhere, the sun is shining brightly.
Chief, it's about to rain.
Oh, look, I'm serious.
How can you be serious when you are toasting in front of your son here?
This one cannot hear us. So if you want to agree, he will not know.
But Chief, you have such a sweet tongue. Okay, Chief, so?
Make I see Shiroma first.
Okay. Hello, sir.
I thought I told you I didn't want to disturb.
I'm very sorry, sir. Chief.
Don't worry, I will wait a bit. I will take tea and coffee.
Okay. I'll get you right.
Thank you. Chief. W.A.K. Chiroma. How you doing? I did.
What can I do for you? Who is this Mentalo? What are you doing here in this place?
He is my son.
Is he all right?
No, he's deaf.
Serious? How do you cope with him?
He's deaf, not stupid. True. Okay. How are you? You're asking me? Okay, me too, I'm fine. So, you know what I'm saying when you are looking at my mouth, Abi? So you know what I'm talking about? This your son is very smart. I know. In fact, he's going to America for university. Your father, he tells me that you are going to America to read book. Hello. Yes. University of Wisconsin. A letter. Chief. This is serious school fees. You see, your father is a rich man. He has plenty of money. Your father is very rich. He can afford it. Roman, don't globalize me. No. Chief and Son PLC. This is not a problem for you now. WAK, I have come for that our business. Hey, Chief. I am in a rush. This our business don't tell. Big rush right now. I have to hurry away right now. So, Chief, I will come to your house and we can discuss it further. WAK, this our matter don't tell. Chief, please, you must understand. I'm in a big rush. I must rush away. Please, give him tea. Drink tea. Just, it's alright. Don't worry. Take your letter from him. Take your letter. Look, why is it that anytime I come to ask your guy for my money, he's always in a rush?
Chief, it's not like that. He really has an appointment.
Look, next time I come here, monkey go market, you no go return.
How about Chief? You don't talk like that. You know my other day now.
Minko. Me say if I did now. Yes, I did. Angelique. How about our lunch at Memphis Burger? You know, serious hot dog with stronger beef. A beef stroganoff with cheese écrivé. I will send my son away so that we can go from here. Angelique.
Chief.
My dear Angelique. Angelique. You are wonderfully wonderful. Angelique, we have good.
How I no go like babes now?
So why every time when I talk about boo-boo, you go to tell
boo-boo no be correct boy.
Hey. What rubbish?
If you see my babe, if you see Susan.
No be that
Susan, wait, Susan a chick. She's not a correct babe. Sister Jim, I dey tell you, she's not a correct babe. Gbenro, where did you go to? You drove to many places. You saw big buildings. Papa, girl. You saw typist typing. Secretary. Secretary. Papa. Papa was toasting the secretary. You saw with your eyes. The girl. The girl likes you. You like the girl. Papa. Papa says he will give you the money to go abroad. Are you sure? You read lip. You learned it in school. Gbenro, you are dangerous. Papa. Papa and the girl. Yeah. Papa and the girl are going out. Papa and the girl, they are going out. Time. Oh, later today. Tatafu. Hey!
Wow, this angelic girl has scraped me completely. Enjoy you and enjoy. Love wanting tinko? No. Angelic has killed me. See. Oh, see what you remain for.
My sweet sugar, you are back.
No money.
Olówó orí mi, you are the mighty Iroko tree that was planted to shade women and children.
I don't hear all that your sweet woman talk will not get you anywhere. No money, you hear?
But olówó orí mi, you promised to bring me money to buy things for the twins and for me.
Ireti, I have warned you. I have warned you. One baby at a time. Nonsense. Go.
Senior, why are you laughing? Is it really funny what our husband is doing?
When will you ever learn Ireti? Chief never has money for his wives and children. What you get by force.
Really?
Yes. This is 18 years of marriage to Chief. Do I look like someone who is suffering?
Oh, you look correct.
Oh, you see, because man wey no fast, na him pot last.
She?
Osborn, if you want money, go and meet him upstairs now. He is probably counting money to put away for the night. Just get in there, grab what you can, and run for cover.
I will go.
Go!
Now?
Now. Go ahead, you can make it. Go! Now, go. Ireti, go, Ireti.
Hey, welcome. Come here, my friend. Come here. That's my money. Come on. What's more? No. Where you going? Give my money, though. Come on. Give my money. Come on. Look. Come on. Where you going? Hey, come on. Hey! Hey! My money, Please. You don't think? My money, My money. Hey! Please. Hey! My money,
Your father thinks he's sensitive. This is what I collected.
Peace! I beg you for peace! Okay. Ireti, give me my money now, or my begging friend. Ireti, come out now and give me my money, or my begging friend. Those useless, stupid women. Nonsense, stupid women without brain. Nonsense. Brainless, stupid, nonsense women.
See,
yes?
What's the matter? I hear your voice, Papa.
It is those your people.
My people?
Yes, those useless women.
See, you married them.
Is that why they must steal my money?
What you? How can't?
They push me in the hole, grab all my money, ran away to their rooms and locked the door.
Hey.
Shut up and get on the place before go away from the place before I finish my sentence. I am going to break down all the doors in this house today.
And give Alika plenty money to repair the door.
Look, after today, no more locking of doors in this house with immediate effect.
Yes, sir.
But first, look, you better go ahead and collect all my money for me now, or else trouble.
No trouble, don't trouble at all, see. We shall get all the money.
Okay. Otherwise, there's trouble.
Hey. So, these women, they beat you. So, they not fear to beat a whole Tajuddin Adebowale.
I did not say that.
What happened?
Look at you standing there asking me stupid questions instead of going into those people and collecting my money for me. Go and call them now. Now.
But you said they are in room, not come out.
And so, tell them we have a meeting in this house now.
Senior! Senior. Now what for you? Please, how much did you get?
4,000 naira.
Chineke. Enough.
Like how much?
Enough to make a salon.
Ireti! Peace! Ireti! Why do you see me and run away? Am I masquerade?
No, mommy. Ẹ káàbọ̀.
Ẹ kú ilé. Mo rò pé mo ti dé eégún ni. Peace ńkọ́. Peace! Yeah.
What? Peace. What did I do to you people today? Yes, Mama Margaret.
You can't do it.
What can I do for you? Yeah.
Peace. Good afternoon. Welcome. Ekpo Osogbo. Line Niro not there.
Same to you.
What you say?
Same to you.
No respect. Oh yeah, downstairs. We have meeting with Chief. Come here. Come
No. Give me my money now or I'll kill you.
Yes.
Papa, there is no money.
Kill us.
All right. Give me my money first. Then I will kill you later.
Hey.
Chief.
Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Follow them. Get my money from me. Follow them.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the Confrontation, Fuji House of Commotion. Creating practical solutions, Fuji House of Commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Okay. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji House of Commotion. The kids are like the Confrontation. A Fuji House of Commotion. Catering practical solutions.